Hello and welcome to myminimaths.co.uk video tutorials. And today we're going to be reflecting a shape through a mirror line or an axis. And on to today's question, which is the red shape on the left hand side of the mirror line or the y-axis. So if we go from the top, we can see that we have the top line of 4 squares, and if we were to place a mirror on the black mirror line, we know that those 4 squares would be reflected moving across to the right. Then as we come down by 2 squares, we can do the same on the other side, and then we need to cut in by a single square, then down 3 squares. And it's always worth checking with the mirror, just checking that they look both the same, both sides of that mirror line. Then we're moving out, away from the mirror line, like so, then down 3. And then finally, we're going to cut back in for 4 squares back to the mirror line, which completes our reflected shape. Thank you very much for listening today, and I'll speak to you again soon. Take care now.